There is a layer of...
Yes, welcome back everybody. And I have been and got a Cathedral City cheesy chicken Kiev Toastie. Have a look at this. It's new out. I did try the cheese and bean one and the original cheesy one before. So I thought, I've tried the rest. I've got to give this a go. We'll see what it's like. Excuse the mess on the t-shirt. The joys of having kids get mess everywhere. Yeah, so it's saying it is chicken breast, cheddar cheese, garlic topped with cheddar cheese and garlic and parsley. That makes no sense. So, oh, garlic, yeah. So it's basically chicken breast, cheddar cheese and garlic topped with a cheddar cheese sauce and garlic and parsley. So yeah, is it going to taste any good? We'll give it a go. But like always, we're going to go in with this one. You can cook it in the oven, cook it in the air fryer, and you can also cook it in the microwave. I think I'm going to go the air fryer on this one, just because I think the microwave might make it soggy. But yeah, this is the packaging. It's very good. I think this is, they're 3 for $10 or $3.50 each, so not exactly cheap. But yeah, we'll crack it open and we'll have a little look at what we're looking at. We won't be able to open it yet. We'll open it once it's cooked, have a little look inside. So obviously this is the microwave piece of paper it comes in. We don't need that. God, it's a bit stuck. So, like the other one, smells delicious. You can really smell the garlic, cheese on top. I can see a little sliver of chicken in there. Let's get in the air fryer. How long did it say? Air fry for 27 minutes. So I'll pop it in the air fryer, come back to me, we'll open it up, dissect it, see if it's worth the money. Okay, and just like that, we are done. But I have a confession. I put it in the air fryer and I put it on a pretty low temperature. It seemed to have cooked the top way faster than the middle. So I had to finish it off in the microwave, but the top looks, yeah, fairly grilled. A little bit maybe soggier underneath, but definitely soggier underneath due to obviously having to put it in the microwave. But hey, let's have a look. Smells very garlicky. It's meant to be chicken Kiev. So I'm a bit disappointed to pull back to see. It just looks like some plain cooked chicken that you get out of a packet to put on your sandwiches. Does look like there's a cheesy sauce underneath. Let's see if I can get in closer. There, a cheesy garlicky sauce, which might be okay. But the top's very much toasted. So let me cut it in half and we'll have a look. Okay, that was a lot harder to cut in half than I thought. But here we are anyway. So, yeah. You can see that little layer of cheese. You probably can't see it very well, but like sticky cheese underneath. Try and zoom in. The bottom is very soggy. I'm going to go give it a bite and just see what I think. God, I can't even pick the thing up. Would have been a lot better in the, definitely a lot better in the air fryer. Okay. So initial thoughts is, you can taste the garlic. It actually does taste slightly like a Kiev. But I think I'd rather it have maybe had slightly battered or breaded, not battered, but breaded chicken in there. And at the end of the day, that's genuinely tastes okay. Very flimsy underneath, as you can see. Let's go in for another bite. Right, I've had half, I'm ready for the verdict, so cut back to me and I'll let you know what I think. Right then guys, so verdict, I've eaten half. The top is actually really nice in the air fryer. I think the whole thing in the air fryer would be delicious. I don't know what's wrong with my air fryer, but it seems to be cooking the top a lot quicker. Like you're saying, just cooked chicken, slightly disappointing, but the taste of it does actually taste very good. Tastes almost like a Kiev, I won't say it won't. Would I like to see it breaded? Might have added something, maybe. Hard to tell you about the texture. Obviously, look at it underneath. I've obviously cooked in the microwave. It's gone slightly soggy, but very garlicky, very tasty. Taste-wise, 8 out of 10. Can't fault it. Price range, £3.50. Bit on the pricey side. £2.50, and I think I'll be happy to pay for that. Let me know if you've tried it. Thank you.